back, Kuradangerz. For today's video is we got another sexy panty lingerie out here, and look at that, very nice white panty. If you are interested, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back, Kuradangerz. We got another sexy panty out here, and look at that. This is in color white, very pretty pa-virgin color sa ating new sexy panty lingerie. Alright, so as you can see, it is a lacy design in the front. Look at that, very pretty with a bow design in the middle, and look at that, very nice, very elegant lace detail. Ayan, super sexy. Right here is a mesh with a double cloth. It has a cotton at here. Very nice, Kuradangerz. This is the overall detail in the front. Very sexy indeed. And of course, at the back is a thong and a see-through. Look at that, very nice. I love the lace detail of this panty, and the lace is so very nice and very good material. Alright, so it is a thong or a something like T-back that is very tiny in the butt area. Look at that, very sexy. Ooh, very pretty butt. Kung susuotin mo to, very pretty butt. And yeah, lace lang talaga yung kanyang dito sa likod. So this is the overall detail. Very pretty. And very small lang siya, Kuradangerz. What is good is, very nice yung material niya. Very good quality. High quality yung lace. Kasi meron kasi akong collection, lingerie collection, panty lingerie collection na yung lace niya is so very poor yung kanyang material. But in this panty, I can say that the material is very good. Hindi siya madaling mabugtas, Kuradangerz. And of course, meron siyang pa-mesh double cloth dito sa harap, mga kadangs. Yan. Very nice and very good design of a panty. Very pretty. Pwede siyang pang bride panty, Kuradangerz. Pwede din siyang pang honeymoon. And pwede din siyang pang daily use. If you are using a thong panty in your daily use, you can use this panty design, Kuradangerz. Very nice. And of course, yung kanyang material is good. Really, really good. And yes, this is so very affordable. Yeah, if check out our mga lingerie collection sa ating channel, Kuradangerz, for more panty design. So yes, this is it for our new sexy panty lingerie, and see you na lang sa ating next video. And yeah, subscribe for more lingerie panty collection, and see you na lang sa ating next video, Kuradangerz. Bye!